A very good morning to all. Today we are going to start chapter 4, Enlivening Slides. Dear children, in previous classes we have already discussed about MS PowerPoint. What is MS PowerPoint? It is a component of Microsoft Office and it helps us to make presentations. You already made presentations many times. A presentation is made up of series of slides. Means when you combine some slides together, it becomes your presentation. In this chapter, we will learn how we can make our presentation more powerful, more effective, that attracts the audience attention. So you will love this chapter. You have to do it practically and you will learn more things. So we will talk about animation and its types. What is animation? Animation is effects given to the PowerPoint slides to make it more powerful and attractive. There are 4 types of animations. First, entrance, that determines the manner in which the object appears on the slide. Second is emphasis, that does something to draw attention to your slide. Third is exit, that determines the manner in which the object leaves. Motion path determines how an object moves around a slide. Adding animation effects. First of all, you need to select the object. Now, what object I am talking about? Object is nothing but your text. When you make a slide, you either you write something, that is your text. So you select that writing, na? You select that text. That becomes your object. Or if you have a picture, so you select that picture. Then click on Animations tab. From Animations group, you select the desired animation and it's done. Now there are many options available for making your animations more effective. For example, you can change the timings of the slides using timing group and many more. Next thing is transitions. What are transitions? Transitions are again special effects given to our slides that will make our slides more attractive. So if we talk about animations and transition, what is the difference? Animation are given to a particular object and transition are given to complete slides. Alright. Steps to add transitions are: select the slide you wish to apply, click on Animations tab and select the transition from transition to this slide group. Now let's do it practically. As you can see, I am already there in PowerPoint. I created a presentation of this chapter. Now I am going to add some animations and transitions in this presentation. So first of all, you open the slide where you want to work in. Suppose I want to give animation text to this slide. Now I am going to select the text. So I am going to give the animation effect to this. To give that, I need to go to Animation tab. Can you see Animation tab? Right. After going to Animation tab, you will see there is given Animate and no animation. There is no animation given right now. Select. There are some animation options given. Fade, that will appear like this. Wipe, Fly in. Or you can customize any animation. Once you click on Customize Animation, on the right side, you will get a window. In this window, you will get an option Add Effect. Once you click on Add Effect, you get the options. The option that we discussed just now. 4 types of animations, right? Entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. Each of these options have more options. So entrance will give you effects of blinds, box, checkerboard, diamond and flying. Let's say checkerboard. So can you see how it appears? Okay. So whenever you add any effect, it will be added here. Okay. Now I was talking about some more options. Some more options are like start. When your animation will start, on click, with previous or after previous. So on click means once you click on this slide, with previous means with the previous one slide or after the previous slide. So I say on click. What is the direction? I can chase down, and the speed also. It can be very slow, like this. It can be slow, it can be medium, or it can be fast. So these are the options that are available for you to make your animation effect more effective. So here you play and you get that effect. So I gave one effect, right? Now I go to some other slide. Here suppose I add some picture. So I am going to insert a clip art picture here. So search for a computer. So once I search for computer, I get these options. So okay, I'll take this picture. Now I want to give the effect to this picture, right? So how will I do? Again same stage, you need to select the picture. Already this window is open, add effect. Now I want to give emphasis. I want to make it grow or shrink. So this can happen. See, can you see this picture is growing, right? So this is how I can add my effects, animation effects to my slides. Next thing is transition. As I told you, there is a difference between animations and transitions. Animations is given to a particular object, but transition given to complete slide. So again you go to animation group. These, can you see transition to this slide group? So this is all transitions. So once you select, it will give you how it will look like. These are all transitions. Okay, so these all are transitions available. Once you click, it will apply to this particular slide, or if you want it to apply to all slides, you can write apply to all. Again you can give a speed. There is a speed, transition speed can be slow, it can be medium, can be fast, and you can give even sound also. So there can be a sound. So if you can hear, there is sound, right? So see how interesting it is. You can make your slides, and even you can make it, you can put a timer also. You can start after seconds, like I want after 1 second or after a minute, whatever you want it. Here I wrote 0, and there should not be any gap. On mouse click it should come, right? So this is how, whenever I play this, I'll get, correct? So I'm getting all my effects. So this is all about animations and transitions. In the next classes we are going to do more. Till then, watch this video carefully and practice the same. Alright, bye.